Your Lego set is losing its glow, catching dust in the shelf, and isn't special anymore? Then, hold on. Your creation needs to upgrade. Now, unlock the full potential of the Lego set and make it unrecognizable. All with this 3-step formula. Find a winning product. Sketch your thoughts. Transform the old parts into a masterpiece. If you want to achieve all this, follow these instructions. Spot the winning product out of these original Lego sets. Why is it this one? Note these 4 aspects when searching your collection for the ideal set. Your pieces should have realistic colors, such as tan or light bluish gray. It needs a minimum of 800 parts. Watch out if there are enough basic bricks. 400 should be enough. Plates are the foundation of your mock. If you found your set, pay attention to the second step. Now you have to create an outline for your final results. Bring your ideas to paper and design your perfect build. During this step, let your thoughts run free and take your time with the design. Make sure that you integrate key elements in your vision. The more, the better. Finally, realize your sketch and start building. Orientate yourself on the bricks from the step before and build the rest around it. And with that, your first alternate build is ready to display. For the instructions of this mock and many others, visit Rebrickable and download it.